Welcome to Staffworks Explained. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to this channel. Also, watch various videos that we have done on various topics. In today's video, we'll be talking about Ethiopian Airlines, making history by being the first customer from Africa to order Boeing 777X series. Welcome. Ethiopian Airlines has made history as the first African airline to order the fuel-efficient 777X passenger jet. With the leading position in African aviation sector, where it boasts a large fleet and extensive route network, Ethiopian Airlines has committed to acquiring 8 777-9s with the option of up to 12 more later. Boeing and Ethiopian Airlines have reached an agreement for the purchase of these 8 777-9 passenger planes with the potential for addition of 20 more jets. Boeing's deal with Ethiopian Airlines, worth about $11 billion, gives a boost to Boeing's sales as they finalize the certification of their highly anticipated 777X jets. Ethiopia Airline plans to use these jets, the biggest twin-engine plane ever, to fly to busy places in Africa, Asia, Europe, as well as in North America. More than half of Ethiopian Airlines' current planes are from Boeing, including 15 737 MAX jets. Despite some recent problems, especially with these 737 MAX jets, Ethiopia Airlines still trusts Boeing as a provider. Last year, they ordered 11 Boeing 787 Dreamliners and 20 Boeing 737 MAX planes to update their fleet. However, their relationship was tested after 736 MAX crash in 2019, which led to a global grounding of the plane. Ethiopia Airlines chose the 779 jets, making it African first customer for the 777X series. This follows their significant order in 2023 for 11 787 Dreamliner and 20 736 MAX planes, showing their commitment to modernizing and expanding their fleet. The 777X is Boeing's newest long-range wide-body twin-engine jetliner, designed to be the largest and most fuel-efficient of its kind, helping airlines cut costs and also improve on fuel efficiency. Some of the notable features of these 77X series: one, it has a new GE9X engines. These engines are the most powerful ever made for commercial jets, offering 10% better fuel efficiency compared to previous model. It comes with a composite wings with folding wingtips. These are longer and more efficient wings and can fold to fit into airport gates designed for smaller planes. It also has an increased cabin width and seating capacity. The wider cabin allows for more seats or greater passenger comfort. It also comes with technological advancement from the Dreamliner 787, where it borrows technologies from the 787, such as composite materials and updated electrical system, which enhances fuel efficiency and reduces weight. The first Boeing 777X completed its maiden flight in January 2020 and is currently going through flight testing. Deliveries of this series are slated to commence in 2025. Ethiopia Airlines expresses satisfaction in leading the way in aviation in Africa by embracing advanced technology to enhance their services and also satisfy their customers. By providing operational efficiency and prioritizing environmental sustainability, the adoption of 777-9 allows for greater flexibility, lower fuel consumption, and also reduced carbon emission. The 777-9 built upon the foundation of the 777 series and the incorporation of advanced technology from the 787 Dreamliner family, introducing new carbon fiber composite wings and engines. These innovations enable the aircraft to achieve a remarkable 10% improvement in fuel efficiency and operating costs compared to competitors. Ethiopian Airlines will leverage the capabilities of the 777-9 to expand and modernize its fleet, enhancing its capacity to serve high-demand markets across Africa, Asia, Europe, as well as in North America, with its increased size, range, and also passenger and cargo capacity. Boeing acknowledges Ethiopian Airlines' decision to select this series as a significant milestone in their enduring partnership. This selection, according to Boeing, signifies the flagship status of the 777-9 in Ethiopian Airlines' expanding fleet. With the history spanning 75 years, the relationship between Ethiopian Airlines and Boeing remains strong. Both entities actively pursue opportunities to advance Ethiopia's aerospace industries. This includes supporting Ethiopian Airlines maintenance, repair and overhaul MRO capabilities, fostering industrial development, enhancing training programs at the Ethiopian Aviation University, as well as promoting STEM education and contributing to aerospace exhibits to the Ethiopian Museum of Science. Ethiopian Airlines currently operates a substantial Boeing fleet comprising over half of its total aircraft. This includes 29 Boeing 787 Dreamliners, 20 Boeing 777s, 3 Boeing 767, and next generation Boeing 737S, and 15 Boeing 737 MAX jets. Boeing stands as a premier global aerospace company specializing in development, manufacturing, as well as servicing of commercial airplanes, defense products, and space systems. With a presence in more than 150 countries, the company serves as a diverse range of customers in different parts of the world. Renowned as one of the leading U.S. exporters, the company plays a vital role in advancing aerospace innovation and technology in a global scale. On the other side, the Ethiopian Airlines Group has rapidly emerged as the fastest growing airline brand globally, boasting the largest airline brand on the continent of Africa, and with a successful track record spanning over 77 years. Ethiopian Airlines has established itself as one of the Africa's premier carriers, renowned for its operation, efficiency, as well as success. In addition to its main hub in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, Ethiopian Airlines pursues a multi-hub strategy, extending its reach through the hubs of Lome, Togo, with Askile, Lilongwe, Malawi, with Malawi Airlines, Lusaka, Zambia, with Zambia Airways, among other routes. Ethiopian dominates the African passenger and cargo network, operating the youngest and most modern fleet to over 150 domestic and international destinations across 5 continents. Its fleet comprises of ultra-modern, environmentally friendly aircraft, including Boeing 737, 777, 787, Airbus A350-900s, Bombardier Dash 8-400 double cabins with an average fleet age of 7 years. Notably, Ethiopian is the first airline in Africa to own and operate most of these aircraft. Having surpassed its strategic plan, Vision 2025, ahead of the schedule, Ethiopian Airlines is currently executing its 15-year strategic plan, Vision 2035, which aims to position the airline among the top 20 most competitive aviation groups globally. The vision encompasses providing safe, secure, market-driven, and customer-friendly passenger and cargo transport and logistics, aviation training, airport management, group ground services, MRO, and aerospace manufacturing and travel, as well as tourism services. As a multi-award winning airline, Ethiopian Airlines has consistently earned accolades such as Skytrax best airline in Africa for 6 consecutive years, among others. Since joining the Star Alliance in 2011, Ethiopia has experienced remarkable growth, registering more than threefold growth over the past decade. Ethiopian Airlines' strategic decision to expand its fleet with the acquisition of these new aircraft, including the 777 jets, underscores its commitment to growth and innovation in aviation sector. By selecting the state-of-art aircraft equipped with advanced technology, Ethiopian aims to enhance its operational efficiency, improve passenger experience, as well as further solidify its position as a leading airline in Africa and beyond. The introduction of the 777-9 with its significant fuel efficiency and operational cost advantages will play a pivotal role in Ethiopian fleet's modernization efforts. This addition will also enable the airline to expand its fleet to reach new markets across the 5 continents, meeting its growing passenger and cargo demands with increased capacity and range. Furthermore, Ethiopian Airlines partnership with companies such as Boeing extends beyond aircraft acquisition, encompassing collaboration in various fronts such as maintenance, repair, and operation. This strategic alliance not only strengthens the airline operation capabilities but also contributes to development of the country's aerospace industry. Overall, the acquisition of the Boeing aircraft, including the 777-9 series, positions the airline for sustainable growth, operational experience, and excellence, as well as continued success in the dynamic aviation landscape, ultimately benefiting both the airline and its customers alike. Ethiopia Airline is geared for greater heights by this acquisition. We'll be looking to see how the order is delivered and also how the aircraft will influence its performance in the coming years. So thank you for reaching this far. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to this channel. Also, watch other videos that you have done on various topics. Click like, also hit the notification bell so that whenever we do another video, we are notified. Thank you.